welcome here on How I Fix. In this little movie I'm gonna actually show you how to clean your computer a little easier. If you have your computer turned off completely, then you can actually use those kinds of glass wipes to clean your computer really good. I just did it. If you can see it, it's just a tissue. It's a little wet, and you can actually move it over the keyboard and it will make it actually really clean. In between is always a little bit a problem, but you can actually use this and then just go in it and clean it in that way. And it turns out it's always pretty clean. So if you do that once a week, you always have a clean computer. Hope you like this tip.